beautiful red color using the watercolor method, as well as how I got these bouncy wand curls. You feel me? If you want to see how I constructed the wig, I have a video posted down below in the description box. Make sure you guys check out my previous videos, and we're gonna jump right into this video. video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and like it, and make sure you check out the rest of my videos. Make sure you follow me on my social media.